This is crazy. I saw some of the pictures this morning people posted from last night, and I couldn't believe it.
Fire officials are cleaning up the scene today, and fire investigators are taking a closer look of how the fire to the Clark Specialty Building happened last night.
This is unbelievable.
Bath Volunteer Fire Department responded around 9 p.m. to a structure fire on Delaware Avenue at the Clark Specialty Building. Flames were coming through the roof of the former Babcock Ladder Factory as Bath Fire arrived. A second and third assignment of firefighters from across Steuben County were called as they battled heavy fire and smoke. By 1 a.m., the fire was controlled for the most part, but some units stayed to keep smaller fires at bay.
And way to go to all the first responders. Big head off to them.
Today, some parts of the building were still smoldering, but the office was left unharmed and no injuries were reported.
And thank God nobody was here working.
Right now, the cause of the fire is unknown and being investigated by the Steuben County Fire Investigation Team.
Unfortunately, the worst part is there's probably going to be quite a few workers out of work.
Bath Electric Gas and Water said fighting the blaze caused significant amount of water to be pulled from Bath's supply, resulting in discolored water for the next few days.
So hopefully they can somehow save it and at some point and get the workers back to work. So that's probably 70, 80 jobs, maybe.
For now, locals are waiting for more details as the investigation continues. Sonia Ellison, Big Fox News, Bath.